I found that I was often settling for something close to what I wanted rather than finding the stock image exactly as I needed it. Poser allows you to create the exact reference you want. I will be taking you through the techniques I apply in this illustration as well as some theory. We will be starting out with a rough concept sketch. It doesn't look that cool, I know, but it's not supposed to. We'll then focus on some character design before moving on to Poser. I will give an introduction to the tools we will be using in Poser and then use these to show you how to customize 3D models available in the program's library and then apply poses on them. You won't necessarily need Photoshop, but I will be using it to create the sketch on top of the Poser reference before moving on to Illustrator. In Illustrator, I will take you through the stages of line art, adding base colors, creating color holds, and then shading and highlighting in a vector painted effect. I have made the reference file, the sketch, and the line art file available if you are wanting to try the techniques explained through this course out on the same drawing. If you want to start from beginning to end, grab the reference file or sketch, or if you'd rather color, start with the line art file. And of course, feel free to make your own fantasy illustration. You can even create an illustration that is not fantasy related at all, and only look at the techniques used in this course rather than the concept subject. In the next video, we will be creating the rough concept sketch that will serve as a base before creating the reference. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to Mastering Fantasy Design with Poser and Illustrator. My name is Nas Peters, and in this video we will be taking a look at creating a concept sketch and drawing character design. Before creating the references, I want to place the idea I have in mind on the canvas, just so I have a rough idea as to where everything will be placed and how I'll want to position my characters in the environment. To do this, I open Photoshop and open a new A4 file, which I then rotate 90 degrees by going into Image, Image Rotate, 90 degrees.